Hey guys, welcome back. It's the 13th and 14th of July 2025. Let's talk about it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make it 600 today in 7 years. And soon we're gonna do a big front-end project with GSAP, Next.js, Self-Stand, React, and multiple things. So yeah, if you're interested in that, please make sure to subscribe. Alright, let's get into the video. So yesterday we were been working on painting my home. I announced this also in a post that I will not be streaming, but there will be no stream until Wednesday, and the reason why is because I already finished and I'm ahead of schedule. So I'm working on other things that I'm a little bit behind or think I need more time in order to succeed and bash this quarter three in July, August, and September. So yeah, if you are interested in actually having those advanced stuff happen, you can subscribe. Okay, so let's get into other stuff. The most important part is that we are working behind the scenes making a full stack development because I still not have a job and I got fired. I have more time to work on this stuff behind the scenes, and yeah, that is why I am working on advancing my career. Obviously, we're not gonna wait and stop doing programming when we are, pretty much done and just waiting for the opportunity. We are actually going to continue and advance my career as much as possible. So if you're new here, we're actually going for 600 today in 7 years, but one of the first stages is actually to get a job. And I talk more about this in this channel. Okay, so I also recorded how to make a portfolio as a junior developer. Some of you guys are backend developers, are more into logic, or some of you are UI UX designers and those kinds of stuff and don't know how to program. And I pretty much talk about the do's and don'ts and why you should do certain things and not build your own portfolio, but rather rent one or get one for free. And yeah, please make sure to check it out. It's called Build and Deploy. A stunning portfolio as a junior developer. Something I'll probably name it something like that. Yeah, please make sure to watch that if you are interested in making a good portfolio that stands out on the recruiters. And yeah, hopefully that will make you succeed more often. All right, so let's get into other stuff of this video. So soon I was working on lead code, but I am going to go back to more of React because I've noticed that for the interviews that I've been having or other talks that I've been having, they are more concerned about what happens when you have certain code rather than actually having some lead code challenges depending on the company. And that's why I'm gonna lean in more into that and then slowly transition to the lead code part. So yeah, if you are interested in that, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make 607 years, and I will see you on to the next video.